When I got saved in second year of high school, I wanted to spend a year for God in a place which is out of my comfort zone. So we had teams from different countries come to Macedonia, and I really loved the team that came from the UK. So we communicated on the possibility of me coming to the UK and spending a year. God opened the door, and yeah, here I am interning at New Life Church.
So the motivation for me coming here was growing up in the same church for my whole life. I wanted to try something new. I also wanted to do a year out for an internship and just serving in the church, and God opened the doors for the UK, and that led me to Intentional Discipleship, which is the organisation with where I came to the church, and that led me to New Life Church to do my year. Overall, during the week, as part of the families team, we do a lot of prep for Sundays, so we do a lot of activities for that. We sort out session plans, we make the videos for the kids. We also come up and plan any projects or events we have coming up, and on kind of Fridays we do kids work and those things. So it's very church orientated, wherever the church needs us, but in our respective teams.
Yeah, in comms, we usually promote what goes on Sunday. We also promote different events that are happening during the week, or in like future events that we have, like festivals or conferences. I'm also pretty free and flexible to work in different areas other than comms, like youth, and like, for example, on Sundays, welcome team or a live stream. Yeah, the most rewarding part of my internship so far was after January, I found out that God used me more for prophecy, and I got my first prophecy in January, and afterwards I had some more, and it was really something that I wanted to have, but I didn't really get it until January, and I feel really thankful. Also, I feel very equipped. I feel like I've grown in knowing God, and I feel like for me, it's much easier to evangelize non-believers than in the past. So I would say I'm more God-fearing than man-fearing.
Mm-hmm. For me, the most rewarding part is the people I've met and the relationships that's been formed while being here. I have a group of girls and I who have a Bible study every Tuesday, and that's honestly been one of the highlights of my week. Just getting to be involved in community, meeting people at church, the staff have been so amazing. So I think the relationships that we formed have been the most rewarding part of my internship.